Hello, so today I'll show you my project, which is a page called StreamBuddy, which is a page so that the decision of choosing what you want to watch is easier. So I'll walk you through the code and I'll also show you the page working live. Okay, so I deployed my page on Netlify. So here I'll open the page and just to give you a quick tour. Um, so it has filters, it has a search bar, a wheel page, a home, and my watch list. So first, um, I have my trending section, which shows and displays 20 of the most trending movies right now. Okay, so this is done with a function that calls the TMDB API, and um, then I fetch the trending titles from there, and I make a card to arrange the movies on that section. So this next feature is search bar, which you can say search any movie or show by genre or title. For example, Harry Potter, and it should display all the titles with Harry Potter in there. Then you can also search for comedy, and it should display some of the comedy movies there are. So the way this works is with a search function, which takes the what the user types and uses it as the parameters for the URL that's passed to the API. By the way, most of these functions are exported into a main JS document. So this next feature is the filters. So the filters let the user choose if they want to watch a documentary, for example. I'll let you, or if they want to watch drama, or if they want to watch a horror movie. Um, so as you can see here, the filter button also can hide or show depending on if the user wants it. And the way this works is pretty similar to the trending section, which is all just a variable that changes on the parameters given on the URL that's passed to the API or that's requested from the API. And instead of getting the trending titles, it just gets whatever the user wants. Okay, so now for the watch list. So um, the watch list can be edited by the user. As you can see, I have a couple picks right here. But if I go back and I want to add, for example, How to Train My Dragon to the list, I go back and this is where it is. And this is where I also use local storage. And I also have the remove function. Um, so it's there. And even if I close this and open it back again, um, it's gonna be there. And this is how I do it. So here's where I use get watch list, where I add the items to the list, and here are the other functions where I create the card and display them on the list. Okay, so as you can see, all of my cards have images, and if you click on any of them, it'll take you to a little bit description about the movie, and we can go back. Also, this wheel page is to recommend the user or choose for the user. You can choose like any parameters, generous, and maybe you can leave minimum rating at any, and then spin the wheel, and the page will choose for you, and it'll give you a short description of what the movie is. So, so the page is also responsive, and when it gets um, to a certain width, the hamburger menu shows up. So for the random recommendation, just use the parameters that the user chose, and I just use a random function to select them. For the details, so the details are fetched from the API, and then card is generated for dynamically for the movie, and for the rest of the cards as well on the home on the trending section, they're also generated dynamically um, using images for each of them. So that was my project, which uses the Taste Dive and the TMDB API. Thank you for watching.